Hannah?
I'm getting dressed up.
You getting dressed up?
Yeah. I'm so silly.
Yes, you are.
Come on.
Do you like your dress-up clothes? Is it fun? Yeah. Hey, mister. Chase. Oh, hi, buddy. Can you smile? Can you smile for mommy? Smile for mommy. Boo. Can you say boo? Huh? Oh, boo, 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 boo. Hi. You looking handsome. You're looking so handsome.
You're so handsome. You're so handsome.
Are you still getting dressed? Can you put your veil on? Where's your veil that goes in your hair? Let's see. Oh, there it is.
I want.
Oh, wow.
It's in my eyes.
That's how it's supposed to be. You're a bride. Oh.
It comes off. It comes off. Is it good to say?
Yeah. Hi.
That's the butt side.
You have your jewelry there?
Where?
What is that? Is that a ring?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Okay, you're a little close. Okay. All right, Chase, you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye, Chase. He's saying bye.
He is?
Bye-bye, Chase.
Okay, see you later.
See you later,